The waterproof hard carrying case for the DJI Mini 2 Fly More combo, accessories, and more. The hard case actually holds the DJI Mini 2, the Mini SE, as well as the original Mini. The case can accommodate one mini drone, up to 4 batteries, one battery manager, your remote control, the battery charger, the charging hub, your RC cables, and more accessories. Those slots in the back come out. The mini carry case is made of a high strength ABS and has a soft foam insert to provide impact resistance and keeps your drone and accessories in place and organized. The case can fit in a backpack or suitcase, and you can use this case on your next outdoor adventure. This Mini 2 waterproof case is ideal for traveling and using for home storage. What comes with it? Well, you get one case and one shoulder strap. You supply the drones, you supply the adventure.